Welcome to Beauty in Bloom. Hi friends. Look at me. We're just doing a fun tutorial today on this makeup look and this hair. Hey. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please stay tuned. Going in with YSL Touche Clot Tinted Moisturizer and B40. Now we're going in with Shape Tape and Light Sand. Huda Beauty Spice Girl. Fenty Beauty Unveil. Fenty Glow. MAC Peaches. Benefit Precisely My Brow in 2.5. Grandstand by Makeup Geek. MAC Teddy. Wet n Wild Mega Length. YSL The Shock. This is the finished look. Hopefully you like it. Okay, so now we're getting into the hair part of the tutorial. So I've already parted my hair and then put it in 2 braids. Okay, so now you want to get like a little bobby pin like this, a hairpin, not a regular bobby pin, but they're like this. And I'm going to pin this like this. Hopefully you can see it, but I'll show you after I'm done. Okay, so now we have our extension and it looks like this. And we're going to clip this. First you want to open up the clip. Okay, yeah, make sure they're open. Then they close like this. Snap. So just make sure they're all open. Okay, they're all open. And now we're going to just put this here like this. The reason we put our hair up is so you won't see the difference, the different length. So we're just going to make sure we put this in. So it's going to be like this. And if it's a little messy, who cares? We're just here having fun because we're quarantined, okay? And I'm not a pro by any means. Next, we're going to get another length of hair. And that's gonna cover what we did there. And then I'm gonna clip this back up here. Okay, next we're getting just one that has 3 instead of 4. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're just going to clip this in. And like I said, if it's a little messy, it's okay. We're just having fun. Okay, so now we have another 3. We're gonna make sure all of them are open. Just gonna do the same thing in the back. We're just gonna put it in. You feel for where you gotta put it. Just put it in. Snap the one in the middle first. And then snap the sides. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing with the sides. This will be a 2-piece. Okay, we're doing a 1 right here. That's okay, it's gonna look good when it's all done. Okay, and we're just gonna take out some more hair. Okay, and they're like in there. This is how so far. Okay, so now let me see what's going on with the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna put another 2 back here. Okay, and pull down some more hair. Make sure that's covered. Okay, now let me see what I'm working with here. Another 2. Now we're gonna just go make sure that this part looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my flat iron. Okay, so now I'm just, you know, flat ironing my natural hair a little bit. Just so, you know, it's not a frizzy look. Okay, so this is the final look. Hopefully you like it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. The hair that I'm using, I've had for like probably like 8 years. I'm not even kidding. And it's called Head Candy. And the color is Melted Chocolate. And I know, like, I paid a lot of money for these when I got them. They were like at least like $250, I think, and that was like back then, so I'm sure it's gone up since then, but I don't know. But anyway, it was just something fun to do while we're quarantined and just for a different look. So get me some long hair. But please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you know, I like to do fun things like this, so you never know what to expect, you know. So hopefully I'll see you next time.